Alright, road warriors, today we're diving into the world of folding bikes, and not just any folding bikes. I'm talking about the new Brompton G Line models. Now, if you've ever tried to fold your laundry or an origami crane, you know that sometimes folding can be a disaster. But with these beauties, it's a whole different story. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, do me a favor. Smash that subscribe button. Join our cool crew as we explore the quirky and wonderful world of vehicles. Now, let's get into the juicy stuff. The G Line models are designed for those of us who want to escape the urban jungle and venture into the great outdoors. Traditionally, Brompton bikes sported those 16-inch wheels, which are perfect for weaving through crowded sidewalks like a caffeinated squirrel. But these new models step it up to a solid 20 inches. Yes, folks, that's like upgrading from a kiddie pool to a proper swimming pool. With chunky Schwalbe tires, you can hit those bumpy trails without feeling like you're on a roller coaster designed by a madman. And whether you choose the standard model with an 8-speed Shimano Alpine hub or the electric version, you're in for a treat. The electric model features a 250-watt rear hub motor that provides 3 levels of pedal assistance. That's right, you can tackle hills or speed away from your problems, or just get to work on time. Let's talk about the battery, because nothing ruins a bike ride faster than running out of juice. The G Line's 345 WR battery gives you a range of about 20 to 45 miles, 30 to 60 kilometers per charge. So whether you're commuting or taking a scenic route, you won't find yourself gasping for breath halfway through. Plus, it fully recharges in just 4 hours. It's like that friend who needs a nap, but only requires a few Z's to be back to their lively self. And how about the practicality? These beauties fold down to a compact 28.3 by 26.2 by 16 inches, 72 by 67 by 21 centimeters, making them as portable as your favorite snack. You can easily stow them under your desk or roll them onto a train platform with the handy roller version, weighing in at 30 pounds, 13.9 kilograms, for the standard model and 35 pounds, 16.1 kilograms, for the electric one. These bikes aren't going to win any weightlifting contests, but they're light enough for you to easily toss into the back of your car or lug up a flight of stairs after a long day. They're tough too, having been rigorously tested over 250,000 kilometers. In terms of comfort, these models feature wider handlebars and a more spacious saddle. Plus, with Tektro hydraulic disc brakes, your stopping power is on point, whether it's pouring rain or you're just trying to avoid that squirrel again. So how much are you willing to pay for this portable paradise? While US pricing hasn't been announced yet, in the UK, the standard G Line starts at £2,399, and the electric model goes for $3,499. That translates to approximately $3,150 and $4,550, respectively. Premium pricing? Yes, but hey, you get a premium experience. To wrap it up, whether you're commuting through the city or seeking adventure on the trails, the Brompton G Line is built tough and ready to roll. If you're interested, make sure to check out the link to the official product website in the video description below. And don't forget to subscribe, because who knows what I'll fold into the next episode? Until next time, keep pedaling.